All right. Hello, everyone, and welcome to this week's homework how-to. This week's homework how-to is going to be pretty short, especially given that the work assigned this week is almost identical to the work assigned last week. The one difference is the homework assignment that is due on Monday that I gave you over the weekend. You're going to be writing a paragraph or more comparing A Raisin in the Sun to one of the related works we read in class this week. So that is either Ta-Nehisi Coates' The Case for Reparations or Langston Hughes's poem Harlem, or both of them, comparing all three texts together. And you can find the information for that on Google Classroom. Other than that, this week we mainly just focus on getting further ahead in the reading. So you're going to be reading, or you should have already read, Act 2, Scene 1 and Act 2, Scene 2. You should have finished those for Friday. One annotation per page, 5 defined words in the scene, and then you should have completed your debriefing charts on Google Classroom. So I'm going to go ahead and do the thing I always do, which is to show you where things are on Google Classroom. But the first thing is the reading for the play, which you can find here under Unit 2 readings. You don't need to turn it in, but you should be opening the PDF. Most of you are going to open it in Kami, but if you find some other way to do it, like text help, for example, that's completely fine. Once you're in Kami, once you have your page open for your annotations, you're going to be reading. And then as you notice things in the scene, either choices Lorraine Hansberry is making as a writer, or vocab you are unfamiliar with, or issues of power related to race, class, or gender, you're going to be annotating on your pages. So one annotation per page. And then once you're done with that, you're going to fill out your debriefing sheets. I'm going to try to find those in my history. This is the other assignment, making text-to-text connections, which I'll get to in a second, but that's not what I want to have open right now. All right, so here we are back in classroom. You want to go to the Unit 2 homework section, debriefing sheets for Act 2, Scene 1 and Act 2, Scene 2. Open them up. You should get to this chart. It's a weird purple and pink color. You want to fill out the one for Act 2, Scene 1 and the one for Act 2, Scene 2. Make sure to write the purpose of the scene, what you think the purpose is, 3 choices Hansberry makes to accomplish this purpose, and then 3 things you notice related to gender, 3 things you notice related to race, and 3 things you notice related to class. Once you're done with that, you are done with that scene. If you notice any conflicts in the scene that don't fit neatly into one of those lenses, you can put them here, but that's optional. So make sure you do that for Act 2, Scene 1 and for Act 2, Scene 2. And then the final homework assignment, the one that's actually due on Monday, is just making a text-to-text connection. So that is posted here. You can open that up. You'll get this sort of worksheet. It'll give you the 3 prompts you can choose from and the criteria for success. I would like you to write a paragraph or more talking about how A Raisin in the Sun and either the poem, the essay, or all 3 reveal the nature of deferred dreams. Okay, that is it. That is the homework for this week. Hopefully you understand what to do. You're on the right page. If you're not, feel free to email me. Let me know if you have any questions. I hope you are having a great weekend. Go break through some walls. All right, bye y'all.